Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Chumsky Bear Education. Hey, is everyone ready to learn today? Oh, we don't just learn, we have fun while we do it on this channel, right Chumsky Bear? Let's do it! Ooh, Chumsky Bear, I see you got your dinosaur set out from our last video on dinosaurs. Please check it out. It was a great adventure seeing all those dinosaurs. Right, Chumsky Bear? Ooh, what do you have here, Chumsky Bear? It looks like you have a toy looking for fossils. But oh, I'm sorry. It's not a toy. This is a very serious video, folks. This is a scientific experiment. What a great educational way to learn about fossils. Yeah, I think we should talk about fossils today. Oh, we shouldn't? They should check out our dinosaur video? Ah, Chumsky, you're just joking. We'll learn all about fossils today, and what a great way of doing it. Well, Chumsky Bear, if you're going to be digging for fossils, then what are you called? That's right, a paleontologist. A paleontologist is a scientist that studies the fossil record and looks for fossils. That's right. Oh, so let's open this up, Chumsky Bear. All right, let's see what we got here. 1, 2, 3... Chumsky Bear, check it out. This is really cool. This looks like rock, and it comes with a digging tool. Should we start digging? Let's see what happens. Oh, Chumsky, you're working really hard. So, did we get anything? Check it out, everyone. Look at that. This is exactly what paleontologists do. They dig in dirt and rocks, and look what we found. We found a dinosaur tooth. Oh, it's a pretty big tooth, Chumsky Bear. Wow, check it out. See, that's exactly what paleontologists do. Oh, that is really cool. So, Chumsky, what is a fossil? Well, a fossil is something that was left over from a long time ago, and now it's turned into rock. It could be a plant, a bone, teeth, like we found, claws, even a nest or a footprint. That's right. Well, how did it turn into rock, Chumsky? Ooh, it's a great question. You know, sometimes when a living thing dies, like a plant or an animal, or, yep, like a dinosaur from a long time ago, basically, it's in the ground. It gets covered by a lot of dirt, right? And then water could seep in over the years as more dirt and more dirt covers it up. And all these water and minerals covered the hard parts of the living thing, like the bones or its teeth. And guess what? It takes on the shape of the bone or the tooth or, let's say, a plant or a footprint. Yep. Then, later on, in our time, we could dig and find what looked like bones or skeletons of these animals, like the dinosaurs. But really, what we're finding are the fossils. All that dirt and water hardens, turns into rock, and takes on the shapes of the things that were buried there. Isn't that interesting? Well, fossils are very hard to find, Chumsky, because when most things died a long time ago, they didn't last too long. They didn't necessarily get buried by all the dirt and the minerals and the water and turn into fossils. Sometimes it wasn't parts of an animal, but something the animal left behind, like a footprint. Let's say a footprint was made in mud. Then the mud got buried, like we said, and turned into rock. Sometimes the shape of the footprint was still formed in the rock. And it's very interesting, and this is what helps paleontologists study the past that's on Earth. Well, how do they do it? Well, a fossil gives us clues to how these animals lived. Like a sharp tooth fossil found would probably mean that the dinosaur ate meat, like a lion nowadays that has very sharp teeth. Or a bear. Yep, that's right, a bear. Or what about flat teeth? Flat teeth, like a cow today, has flat teeth. That dinosaur probably ate plants. Is that interesting? Wow, Chumsky, this is a really great game. It really teaches you what paleontologists do, and it also teaches you about fossils. Hey, so Chumsky, did you have fun today? Yeah, it's always fun doing scientific experiments with you and playing with educational games. Shall we review with everyone? Yeah, well, everyone, check out our beautiful dinosaur set and our new fossil scientific experiment that helped us learn all about fossils today. Fossils are, what are they, Chumsky? Let's tell everyone at home. Well, they're things from a long time ago that get covered in rock and dirt and harden and then leave a shape of what was covered in all that rock and dirt for us to learn about today. That's right, like teeth from a dinosaur, or bones from a dinosaur, or plants, or even nests from, let's say, a bird that lived a long time ago. That's right. And who are the special scientists that studied them? Paleontologists. Well, everyone, this was a fun video and a great toy. Oh, lost your glasses there, Chumsky. This is a great toy for everyone to buy at home. That's right. But remember, be sure to check out our dinosaur video where you can learn a little bit about fossils, but also go on a great dinosaur adventure. Right, Chumsky Bear? That's right. And remember to catch us next time on another episode of Chumsky Bear Education. Remember, support us on our Patreon page, and you can get even more amazing fun where we open up cooler toys and go on cooler adventures. Right, Chumsky Bear? That's right. Oh no, your glasses are crooked. Oh, I got it for you. Alright, everyone. Catch you next time. Bye.